Hello, today I'm going to show you how to cite sources from a Google Doc. So you have to pull up a Google Doc and you can title it whatever you like, but then if you would like to search and research within this Google Doc, you can go to Tools and scroll down to Explore. Once you get on Explore, you can come over here and you can search the web for whatever item you would like to. So today I'm going to search for the purpose of a mission, vision, mission, and goals. So say that's something I'd like to look for. I need to look for articles, and say I already know which article I would like to use. I'd like to use one of these first few articles. And you might have already searched for this on Google, but this is just an easy way to cite those. There's 3 buttons right here. So you can click on that and you can select whichever type of citation format you like to use. Today I'm going to use APA. But then you can scroll down and say I know that this is, I'm actually going to click on this and I'm going to look through this, and I know that this is the article that I would like to cite because I'm going to use some items from it. So then I'll go back to my document. And then I will click on this cite as a footnote. And whenever I click on that, what it'll do is it comes over here and it puts a 1. And it'll actually cite it down at the bottom in APA style format. So this is a quick and easy way. Once again, if I like this one, I'd do the same thing. I'd click on that. There'll be a 2 then here. And down at the bottom, it will cite that second source. So this is a very easy and simple way to cite your sources in APA format, especially if you know if you're using Google Docs, or even if you're not, you might just want to cite all your sources in the Google Doc, and you can separate them out however you would like. But a simple way to do that, and to also search within a Google Doc for your students or for yourself personally. You can also look for images, and you can add all these images and all that good stuff. You can also search in your drive as well if you have items within there. Hope this was helpful. Have a great evening. I know you hear my little one in the background rummaging around, but have a great weekend. Thank you.